Hi, I'm Matt Bayliss, and in this video I will be showing you 5 ways you can make money online in 2022. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you are notified every time I upload a new video. So let's get started. Number 5 on my list is stocks and shares. Now this is not a risk-free strategy. There is a chance you might lose money on this one, but if you're careful, if you know what you're doing, do your research, you can make a lot of money in 2022 through stocks and shares. So basically what you're doing is buying shares in a company in the hope that that company's stocks value goes up over time. So in January, if you put money into stocks, let's say Apple, and Apple has a really good year, those stocks will go up, and by the end of the year, you'll have a nice bit of profit. Now there are hundreds of different companies that you can buy stocks and shares in. So it's all down to your personal preference. Do your research, go online, watch YouTube videos of people explaining exactly what stocks and shares are and how it all works. But I've done it personally. I've made a little bit of money, not a huge amount, but it is a long-term game. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. So you literally put money into a stock, leave it there. If you're that type of person, you can just leave it in there. Your money will gain interest over time more than what a bank would do. So if you've got money in the savings, you might as well put that into some stocks or some shares, and then over time you'll gain more interest than you would leaving it in your savings. So the other thing you can do with stocks and shares, you can really dive into this and become like what you call a day trader, where you can literally get online every single day, have a look at the stock market, read the charts. So you buy stocks when they're low, you sell when they're high, or you sell when they're high and buy when they're low. So you can do your research into that. There are tons of free videos on YouTube, there are free courses online, but if you're really serious about it, there are some people you can go to for coaching who will guide you through step by step exactly what to do and give you some quality training. I'll leave some links down below for some courses that I recommend that you check out. Number 4 on my list is photography, but more specifically stock photography. Now stock photography has taken off over the last couple of years, so if you've got a camera, even a camera on your mobile phone is good enough nowadays. You can take some pictures, take some quality pictures, upload them onto a stock photography website, and it's there for people to buy. So people can be browsing through the website, they want a picture of a nice sunset, let's say in South Wales in Porthcawl on the beach. They see a picture of a sunset there, they want to buy that picture, they buy it from you. Now you're not going to make loads of money straight away, but if you've got loads and loads of pictures you just put onto stock website, put all the right tags in there, people will find your images and they will buy them. I've done it myself. I have photos on stock photography website, and every now and again I'll get an email to say that somebody's bought my picture, one of my pictures to use professionally. And what do I get? I just get a few quid each time. But if you're really serious about this, you can learn about how you can advertise your stock photography. You can really market it really well to make the most profit out of it, to maximize your potential of selling your photography. Now it's not just photography that works in there. What's becoming very popular now are shorts. You might have seen, not shorts that you wear, but shorts, videos like on Instagram and Facebook are now introducing shorts, and YouTube are introducing shorts. These are just short, like 30-second clips. You can upload these on the stock photography website as well, and people will buy them and use them. So if you like taking videos on your mobile phone, or you've got a camera that I've got in front of me, take some videos, upload them onto the stock photography website, put all the right hashtags in it, research what is popular right now. If sunsets are really popular right now, just take lots of pictures of sunsets. Depending on what time of year, it's going to be Easter in a few months' time, so people will be looking for Easter content. So get out there, start making content for the seasons ahead. So don't start making Easter content at Easter. You want to be making it a few months before. Then upload that online, start marketing it, because people are looking for those content before the season actually arrives. So in the description down below, I will recommend some stock photography website which I have used and made money off. So go ahead, use the link down below, sign up, and start uploading your pictures and start making money today. Number 3 is YouTube. So everybody wants to be a YouTuber nowadays. You ask a young child, what do you want to be when you grow up? They want to be a YouTuber. There's so many YouTubers out there, so many people making a living from YouTube videos. Now all you need is 1,000 subscribers so you can start monetizing your videos. Once you've got 1,000 subscribers, you can start putting adverts on your YouTube videos. YouTube will start targeting your videos to other people. So you're putting your videos in front of the right people. And then YouTube will start paying you for your views and your likes and just popularity of your channel. So the more subscribers you got doesn't necessarily mean the more money you're gonna get. It's just all about the engagement of your content. So you need to be creating content that offers value. So the longer people are watching your videos, the more likely YouTube is going to recommend that video for somebody else. The more people who like a video, which is why I'm asking you to like this video, the more people like this video, the more YouTube is going to put this video in front of other people. And that way, I can monetize these videos even more and make more money off it. But right now, I have 0 subscribers, or maybe I've got like 4 or 5 subscribers at the time of recording this video, so I'm not making any money from making these videos for you. So I'm getting started, you need to get started, and once you hit 1,000 subscribers, you can start making money on YouTube. To make money on YouTube, you need to create a channel that has a specific niche. Now, this channel is all about helping you guys, particularly Christians, make money online. Now, there are lots of different channels on YouTube. We've got beauty channels like this one. I can show you. I'm not being biased. This is my wife's channel, and she has thousands of subscribers, and she is making money, and she does get a check from YouTube every now and again for her videos, for all the work that she's putting in keeping people on YouTube's platform. Let's think what's popular at the moment. VR headsets is another popular thing right now. So I got a friend who's got tens of thousands of subscribers on his channel, so I leave his channel down below in the description. You can check that out. So you need to come up with your own niche. What is it that you're passionate about? What are your interests? And just start making videos around that. You haven't got to be fancy. It could just be on your mobile phone and just holding it up in front of you, walking around doing a vlog on your holidays, or maybe like making holiday videos. That's another one. You can do that. Just vlog your holidays, days out with your family, like I said, whatever hobbies you've got. Just start creating content for that and be persistent. Keep uploading, maybe once a week, maybe twice a week, 2 times a month, whatever. Just be consistent, and the viewers will start coming in, subscribers will start coming in, and YouTube will start showing your content to other people. Number 2 on my list is affiliate marketing. Now, you probably see affiliate marketing all around you. It happens all the time, especially on channels like this, like YouTube, like Instagram and Facebook. You know, influencers, they do it all the time. They wear products like jewelry, necklaces, clothes, bags, or whatever. And they want to encourage you to buy it, because when you buy that product, they will make some money from that, because they're affiliated with a company that produces and sells these products. You'll see it all the time on YouTube. If somebody is talking about a particular product they're using, they'll say, go down into the description, click on that link, and you will get to buy that product. And when you buy that product, you'll be supporting me. So they'll get a little bit of a cut from you buying that product. I'm doing that on this YouTube channel. When I was talking about stocks and shares, I told you about a link to go and click on in the description to sign up to your own trading website. When you do that, you will get money for signing up through my link, and I'll also get some money because you signed up through my link, because I referred you to that company to help them make money. So they're going to reward me for that. So that's exactly what affiliate marketing is. So if done properly, you can make a lot of money from this. So choose your company wisely, see who's got the best reward plan, who pays the most for you referring that person. Obviously, the more you get paid, probably the harder it is to sell that product. So you need to have some marketing experience, or be willing to learn and research how to market particular products. But it's a great way to make lots of money. Number 1 on my list is network marketing. Now, network marketing is very much similar to affiliate marketing, but with network marketing, you're going all in, yeah? You're associating yourself with this particular company. In network marketing, you are either selling a product or a service to somebody. And then there's the other side of network marketing, is where you're recruiting other people to join your team to also sell and promote that service or product. Now, I'm personally in the travel industry, so I'm part of a network marketing company that sells travel. So I'm a fully qualified independent travel agent. I can sell holidays or vacations anywhere in the world through my qualifications, and that's what I do. I go online, I market myself as an independent travel agent to try and book holidays for people, and I earn a nice commission from that. It could be 15 to 25% commission on every holiday that I book for somebody. Now, that person booking a holiday will be paying that commission anyway, so no matter where they're buying a holiday from, there's always commission built into that. But instead of that commission going to the travel company, it's now coming to me as an independent travel agent, and that's where we make our money in travel. Now, the other side of network marketing is the recruitment side of things. So I go around and I tell people about how amazing network marketing is, how amazing the company I work for is, and what the benefits are for them, how becoming a network marketer can change their lifestyle. For example, if somebody likes traveling, they spend lots of money on travel. Why not become an independent travel agent? You can save money on your own travel. You can save up to 80% on hotel bookings anywhere in the world. Now, that's going to save someone a lot of money. And if someone's struggling financially, this is a great industry to get into, to get started in, to start making money online. Someone struggling financially, you can just start network marketing for a very low cost. You can start network marketing and you can start making money pretty much straight away. So this is a quicker way of making money online. It's not going to make you rich quick. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not a scam or anything like that. Basically, the more you put into it, the more effort you put into it, the more money you're going to get out of it. So network marketing is number one on my list. I highly recommend that you check it out. If you want more information about network marketing or the company I'm involved in, click on the link below and I'd be more than happy to give you more information on that. So those are my top 5 ways of making money online in 2022. If you enjoyed this video, click on the subscribe button down below and the bell notification to get notified of more videos. And I might go into more depth about each one of those topics later on to help you get started in making money online. Now, I just want to put it out there, I'm not a financial advisor, so you do all this at your own risk. I can only recommend what services I've used from my own experience, and I'm just telling you how this worked out for me. So if you want to get involved in any of this, do your research first. If you've got any questions, do come and see me, but remember, I'm not some sort of guru or financial expert in anything like that. So thanks for watching this video. Head over to my website, check out more content there, sign up to my newsletter and get access to more training just like this where I go into more details. So goodbye for now.